ABB is a large global company. We are focused on delivering products that are energy efficient and increase productivity for our clients. We pride ourselves in delivering a high quality product manufactured in excellent facilities, and we execute our business in a safe manner. In South Africa, we are located at this facility, which is ABB Longmeadow.
ABB has 5 divisions, namely Power Products, Power Systems, Process Automation, Discrete Automation and Motion, and Low Voltage Products.
ABB decided we want to become a closer unit. We launched then a project which was to build this facility. We felt that if we put the divisions together, that we could actually have a very efficient business. And in doing this, we really focused on reducing sort of the environmental footprint that ABB has. We manufacture the retrofit breakers to an ISO standard. We have ISO 9000 listing, and then we have ISO 14000, which is really linked to the environmental aspect of the product.
The VD4 and the HD4 circuit breaker that ABB develops here is a basic retrofit replacement that we use to replace the old type circuit breakers in the Reyrolle type switchgear.
We offer a number of standard ratings, which are 630 amp for normal current, 1250 amp, up to 2000 amp.
They'll be used at airports, power plants, supermarkets, the mines specifically. So they cover a very wide variety of clients all over the markets.
We do partial discharge testing as well during the type testing process, which then ensures that dielectrically we know our product can handle harsh environments.
With retrofitting, you minimize downtime. There's minimal changes that you need to do to the panel to fit new technology.
The cost of retrofit is typically 50 to 60% the cost of replacing the switchgear.
It will be less disruptive to their services because they take the unit that's currently in there, they take it out, they install the new unit, and they can immediately carry on with their production.
The HD4 range has its advantage in that it's a very soft switching, soft interrupting process, which is well suited for capacitive switching and certain specific applications in the market.
It's the client's priority and his questioning of what he wants to have installed. So we either offer him the SF6 unit or we offer him the vacuum unit.
In the long term, the spares availability is so much easier if you partner with a company that supplies typically 100 to 200,000 of these units globally per year.
We currently receive our VD4 and our HD4 basic units from Italy. These get imported to South Africa, where they then get machined locally.
The unit gets sent out to a local engineering firm for machining. Once the machining is complete, the assembly process begins with the gearbox being fitted onto the unit. Here the unit with the fitted gearbox gets raised and installed into the newly produced carriage. Client-approved wiring diagrams are given to the wiring staff to wire the unit according to the client's specifications. The installation of the tripper assembly is a vital process to ensure that the unit will operate safely, trip safely, and function correctly. The copper work is installed with the riser to prepare it for the jigging and final alignment process. At this stage, the breaker will be jigged. These jigs have been bolted specifically according to the Reyrolle panels. The breaker will be lined up and the side swipes and interlocking will be checked to make sure that they comply. This stage of the process is where the high pressure testing, wiring and functionality of the unit are tested. A 2 kV test is conducted on the wiring and a 28 kV test is conducted on the riser and copper work to ensure the unit leaves the factory in a fully working condition.
They go through all the normal SAP's requirements at the end of the day to ensure that these equipment that we're retrofitting are safe to the client and that they will work reliably.
Our qualified technicians make the installation safe for site work and remove the circuit breaker from the switchgear cubicle. The existing shutter boxes are removed and a new combined shutter box is installed. Slightly longer, new shutter drive pins are fitted to improve the shutter engagement. A pre-commissioning test is completed before installation. Site commissioning tests are completed before the new VD4 LMT circuit breaker is inserted into service.
Well, I think it's a very unique product that we've made specifically for the Reyrolle switchgear. There's a wide variety installed locally and overseas.
The product ABB develops here is of very high safety standards, very high quality standards, and then also type tested.
The spares are locally available. So from a field service, from a service point of view, we can service our clients every day, all day. The spares will be available for at least the next 20 years.
We offer a standard 12-month warranty on any product that leaves here, but we also generally add on to that it's 18 months from date of supply.
All the wiring, all the fitting that gets done inside the factory, so the clients can virtually just rack out their equipment, rack in our equipment, and they can carry on with their production.
On site, we've got a workshop fully laid out with qualified technical people here to look at problems and even services.
If you're looking at some of these units, they are service free. The bottles can do 30,000 operations and the parts are very interchangeable.
ABB also has a wide global footprint, so we tend to set up to be local with our clients so we can support them locally as well.
ABB takes occupational health and safety very seriously, not just because it's legislated, because we've got the moral obligation to our employees. ABB South Africa is very proud that we have just gone through a SABS 18001 certification, which incorporates the design and manufacturing of our equipment that we see. ABB South Africa is one of the first companies in 110 countries whereby ABB operates that has got an integrated OSHA's 18001 certification that incorporates all 5 divisions. We will not just benefit on the product that we put out into the market, but we will ensure our safety as a first priority, and that will benefit our employees.
Wherever the main clients are, we will have a branch with some trained staff. And knowing this is a global productivity solution, we have a number of centres that we are now setting up, or have set up in some cases, to support the product once it's installed into the countries.